Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to reorder tags on Yubo. So let's start. First open the Yubo app. When the app is open, tap on your profile icon on top right corner and go to your profile. Under complete your profile section you will see interest. And here you can see that I have already added 155 tags. Now tap on interest. Then tap on see all. Now to reorder tags, all you have to do is long press on a tag and then move it as you like. Long press on a tag and move it anywhere you like. I'll just reorder a few more tags. And that is how you can reorder tags on Yubo. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.